Hey guys, Miss Hinder here. We're going to read the story called Alexander Anteater's Amazing Act. And I see a lot of words that start with the letter A and that have the A sound at the beginning. This is written by Barbara DeRuperidis and illustrated by R.W. Alley. Alexander Anteater, you do not look happy. In fact, you look rather sad, said Alexander's dad. Alexander began to wail. Next Saturday is the talent show at Alphabet's school. All the other kids have amazing acts, but I can't do anything. I can tap dance, said Dad, but I can't dance fast, said Alexander. You could play your banjo, said Alexander, but I can't play fast, said Alexander. Well, I happen to know you can stand on your hands, said Dad. Yes, I can do that, said Alexander, but that's not amazing. Use your imagination, said Dad. Maybe you can make it amazing. Just then the doorbell rang. It was Anna Anaconda. Wow, she said when she saw Alexander standing on his hands. You are an acrobat, Alexander. I'm practicing for the talent show at Alphabet's school, said Alexander. But lots of kids can stand on their hands. I want to do something amazing. Can you do acrobatic tricks, Anna? Alexander asked. Anna laughed. Well, I can balance a tray of stacked glasses on my head. Cool, said Alexander. He ran into the kitchen and came back with a tray and 6 plastic glasses. Can you show me how to do that? He asked. Absolutely, said Anna. She stacked the glasses on the tray. Then she wiggled and waggled. She swayed back and forth. In no time flat, she was standing on her tail. Alexander placed the tray of glasses on her head. Fantastic, said Alexander and Dad. The doorbell rang again. It's time for Albert Alligator. It was time for. This time it was Albert Alligator. Sorry, guys. Come in, said Alexander. We're doing acrobatic acts. Anna can balance a tray of glasses on her head. I can stand on my hands. What can you do, Albert? I can stand on my head, said Albert, and I think I could balance that tray of glasses on my tail. In no time flat, Albert was standing on his head. Alexander placed the tray of glasses on Albert's tail. Fantastic, said Alexander, Anna, and Dad. It's too bad your pals aren't in your class, Alexander, said Dad. Together your talents are amazing. Alexander snapped his fingers. That's it, he said. I have an idea for a new acrobatic act, but I'll need a lot of practice. And I'll need your help, he told Anna and Albert. That's what pals are for, they said. Day after day, Anna and Albert helped Alexander practice in his room. The first day, Dad heard a loud crash. Alexander, Dad called, are you okay? Yes, Dad, Alexander called back, but I'm glad we're using plastic glasses. What do you think happened? I think he might have fell because look right here, he dropped some cups. I see some cups on the ground that are coming out of the door. The next day, Dad heard a loud smash. Alexander, Dad called, are you okay? Yes, Dad, Alexander called back, but I may need some more plastic glasses. Uh-oh, he probably fell again. On the last day before the talent show, Dad heard bang, 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 bang. Alexander, Dad called, are you okay? Yes, Dad, Alexander called back. But, may I please have some more plastic glasses? Finally, the big day came. Alexander and his pals raced to Alphabet's school. Dad sat in the front row. He waited for the talent show to begin. What would Alexander do? Alphabet happily rang a bell. Welcome to our talent show, she said. Our class has many talents, as you shall see. One classmate sang, one tapped, danced, one did magic tricks, one played a banjo. Alexander was last. He was very excited. I will do an acrobatic act, he announced. My pals Anna and Albert will assist me. Alexander stood on his hands and everyone clapped. And Anna placed a tray of stacked glasses on Alexander's nose. Everyone clapped and clapped. Albert balanced a tray of stacked glasses on Alexander's tail. Everyone clapped and clapped and clapped. Alexander smiled. Then Anna and Albert stepped way back. Albert put his hands over his ears. Anna put her tail over her eyes. Suddenly, Alexander sprang into the air. The trays of glasses sailed up above his head. He flipped over and bam! Alexander landed on his feet. And he was balancing a tray of glasses on each hand. That's amazing. Now everyone was standing up and cheering. Dad and Anna and Albert were cheering loudest of all. Hooray, Alexander! Everyone chanted. For Alexander Anteater's act was absolutely amazing. That is so good. He did a great job. Bye, guys.